In media this week, we will be playing Rolling Sums. To play the game, you will need one computer with your scorekeeper up. You will be playing in teams of 2 or 3 if need be. You will get a stack of cards with numbers ranging from 0 to 10. Each player will get 5 cards. The remaining cards will be face down on the table. One player will roll the 20-sided die. The number on the top of the die is the target number. Each player chooses 3 of his or her cards to make a sum as close to the target as possible. Sums may be lower or higher than the target. If your target is a low number, you may choose to subtract instead of add. Mrs. Duffy will give you additional directions on this. Each player's score is the difference between his or her sum and the target number. The player with the lowest score for the round gets to enter 1 point and kick the ball. If both players have the same score, then no one scores a point. For example, Julie and Jody are playing against each other. Julie rolls the die and it lands on 10. Jody puts down 5 plus 2 plus 2 equals 9. And Julie puts down 4 plus 4 plus 5 equals 13. Jody's score is closer to 10, so she taps or clicks her arrow on the scorekeeper. At the end of the round, each player discards the 3 cards used and gets 3 new cards. The die is rolled for a new target number. Play continues until one of the goals is reached in the scorekeeper game. If you run out of cards, turn the pile over and start again.